want to continue the solution to the UTME mathematics for 2003. So you can follow. I believe that as we go through it, because I provide detailed solutions there, it will help you in your forthcoming Jamb. So look at this question here. We are in question number 11. If a car runs at a constant speed and takes 4.5 hours to run a distance of 225 kilometers, what time it takes to run 150 kilometers? Now here you have a car runs at a constant speed and take 4.5 hours to run a distance of 250 kilometers. What time it takes to run 150 kilometers? So what you have is, you know that speed is equal to distance over time. So here, the speed is distance, that's total distance, which is 225 kilometers divided by 4.5. So the speed will be 225 divided by 4.5. That's 50 kilometers per hour. Then see what time it takes to run 150 kilometers. Now you have speed now, so you want to use it to find the time it will take to do this. Again, you have speed equal to distance over time. So speed is 50 kilometers per hour, which is equal to distance. The distance is 50 kilometers over time. That's t in hour. Therefore, if you cross multiply like this, you will have 150 kilometers per hour times t hour, which is equal to 50 kilometer. So what you have here is you divide both sides by this. Here you divide both sides by 50 kilometers. So 50 kilometers. This cancel this. Time in hour. This divided by this. That's 3h. So it will take 3 hours to run that. So what is the option there? The options are A is 2 hours, B is 4 hours, and C is 3 hours, and D is 1 hour. Therefore, your answer is C. So that is it. So what you do is that, first of all, calculate the speed. Then since it's subject to constant speed, so you use the same speed to calculate the hour. So that is it. Now, again, you have to divide 1101,001 base 2 by 101 base 2. So the options are 11101 base 2, 111 base 2, 10111 base 2, D 1010 base 2. Now, this number base, you have to divide this by 2. You can do it in 2 ways. So I will do one way. The other way is that you can convert this one to base 10, and you convert this one to base 10. Then when you convert it, then you divide it directly. The answer you get, then you reconvert it back to base 2. So that's another way you can do it. But look at it here in long division. So you have this. So what are you going to do here? Here is this base 2. So like this, just as we do for long division, you have 101. Now for this, can this goes in this? Yes. 110 base 2 is greater than 101 base 101 base 2. So this one can go in this one time. So you can check here. Then what will it remain? So look at this. You can borrow one from here to here. If you borrow one, you borrow one at base 2. So when you borrow one here, that one is 2. So you have it here. So 2 minus 1 is going to give you 1 here. So what remains here is 0. So you have 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So you have this. Then you are here. So you can bring this one down like this. This one, you bring it down. When you bring this one down, so for this one now, this number that is here, can it divide this? No, it's not possible. 11 divided by 101 is not possible. So it will be not. You put 0 there. Then you draw another one down, which is 0. Then you add this one to be 101. You add this one to be 101. Again, it's exactly like this. So what are you going to have? This one will be 1. Here it will be 1 again, 0, 0. Since it's the same thing. So you are here. So you have this one again. This 0, you bring it back. Can this 10 divide by 101? No. So you have 0 here. Then you bring the other one down, which is 1. So here is 101. So base 2, base 2. This one will be 1 again. 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 0. So your answer is what? Your answer is this, base 2. So where is this? Is D. So the answer is 101, 11, base 2. So that is D. So the answer is D. So you look at it again. Then look, here you have if 3 minus root 3 over 2 plus root 3 equal to A plus B root 3. What are the value of A and B? What are the value of A and B? A, option A is 9. B is minus 5. Option B, A is 5. B is 9. C, A is 9. B is 5. Option D, A is minus 5 and B is 9. So you look at this. What you have here is solved. So what I'm going to do now is we just rationalize it. We talked about rationalization before. So here, if you want to rationalize, you simply change this sign here. So you have this one as this to this. So this is what you have. So you multiply it out. So what are you going to have? This multiplied by this is 6. This times this, you have 3 root 3. Here you have minus 2 root 3. And root 3 times root 3. Minus times minus is plus. So you have this one as 3. Into this multiplied by this, you have 4. This times this, you have minus root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 3. So root 3 times root 3 again, you have this minus times minus, that's minus, minus times plus, that's minus. So what you have here, 3 plus 9, plus 3, you have 9. Here is 3 root 3 and 2 root 3. So minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3, that's minus 5 root 3 into root 2, 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3, that's 0. So 4 minus 3, that is 1. So your answer is going to be 9 minus 5 root 3. So what is now your answer? A, this position of A here, A is 9, then B is what? Minus 5. So that's the answer. Where is it? A is 9. Okay, the answer is A. So that's it. The answer is A. That's 9 and then minus 5. All right. Here you have question number 14. Find the value of t if the distance between the point minus 3, minus 14 and q t, minus 5 is 9 units. Now look, so what you have here, this is a distance between 2 points. You have point P and Q. So distance between this and this, you have it as x and y, s1, y2, 2. So you have y2 minus y1 square plus s, well, whichever one you write, still the same thing. Here you have y2 minus y1 squared. So that's what you have. So for this s2, that's t minus 3. Here is minus 3 squared plus y. So y2 minus 5 minus 14 squared, all into square root. So here you have t plus 3 into square root plus minus 5 plus 14 squared. So here you have, so here this PQ is equal to 9. So you can put 9 here. All this one 9. So here you have t plus this square. What is this? This plus this. So you have 9 squared. So from here, you can do square root of both sides. If you square both sides, square root of both sides, you have 9 squared equal to t plus 3 square plus 81. So here you have 81 equal to t squared plus, you can expand it like this, but I can write it out like that. Here you have 81. So what you have here, subtract 81 from both sides. So you will have t plus 3 and then t plus 3 all into 0. So you can equate to answer to 0. That's t plus 3 equal to 0 or t plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, Therefore, your answer will be t equal to what? Minus 3 twice. So that's it. The answer is that t is what? Minus 3 twice. So that's it. Even if you can test it like this directly. This minus 3, if you put it here, is going to give you minus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 is going to give you 0. So what to have is 9 square. So if you have 9 equal to what? 9 square. So this cancel this, 9 equal to 9. So your answer is correct. So that's the answer. Again, at simple interest, look at this one. Question number 15. At simple interest, a man made a deposit of some money in the bank. The amount in his bank after 10 years is three times the money deposited if the interest rate stay the same after how many years will the amount be 5 times the money deposited. A, 15 years. B, 25 years. C, 20 years. D, 30 years. Look at this. This simple interest. Now, see, a simple interest rate, a man made a deposit of some money in the bank. The amount in his bank account over 10 years, after 10 years, is 3 times the amount deposited. Look, what happens is, here you have principal. So you can say that let the principal be X. Then amount after 10 years. After 10 years is 3 times the amount that is deposited. So that's what we have. So what is amount? Amount is principal plus interest. This is interest, this is principal. So if the principal is 3x, then amount if the amount is 3x, that's 3 times amount deposited. So amount deposited is the principal is x, then plus xr times 10 over 100. So here this can cancel this. So you have 3x plus x plus x plus 3x equal to x plus this, that's r x over 10. So take this one to this side. So you have this minus x equal to rx divided by 10. So here you will have 2r, 2x equal to rx over 10. So if you cross multiply, you will have 20x equal to rx. So divide this one by this. So what you have there is that the rate you get now is 20%. So you getting the rate is 20%. So again, add this one like this. R is 20%. Then the question now is that how much? The question now is that if the interest rate stay the same, is there. After how many years will the amount be 5 times? This time around, how many years will this principal become 5 times deposited there? So this will be the amount. Then again, the year now is what we want to calculate now. How many years? We want to calculate how many years. So again, A is 5x equal to x plus x r. Now r is 20% times t. That's what they ask you to calculate over 100. So this cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. So you will have 5x. You can bring this one here minus x equal to tx over 5. So this one will give you 4x equal to tx over 5. So if you cross multiply, you will have 20x equal to tx. So here, this x cancel this. So t will give you 20 years. So after 20 years, the amount will be what? 5 times the principal deposited. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe to our channel and then invite your friend also, so you can share it with them, so they will equally get prepared for their UTME exam. God bless you.